Hi, and welcome back to Crafty Quilting Designs. My name is Karen and I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today we are going to do an updating of a block that I did a few sessions ago, and it was called a 9-patch split block. And so I have completed the quilt and I wanted to share with you what the overall look of the quilt looks like. So I will link the original video of how to make the block in the description box below so that you have a connective idea as how to put these two videos together. So let's have a look at the actual quilt. So for the actual quilt itself, you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 4 across and 5 down, so you have 20 blocks together. Obviously I use a 9-patch. And the way how I completed compiled the block is that I took the two front sides together and split it down the middle. So this is your block here, and as you can see I used 2-inch sashings and a cornerstone to join all of the blocks together. So the block joins together with the sashing on the left. Now there is no sashing on this area here, no on this side, okay? For the quantity of fabric that you would need, obviously, is a charm square pack, and there is a lot more left after compiling this actual block. And obviously you need, this will also incorporate your sashing is half a yard of the background fabric, which is your sashing for your white, a quarter of yard for your cornerstone. And for the actual border, I use a yard itself for my raspberry, and I chose that color because I thought it'd bring together the quilt really nicely. Okay, so the way how I laid the quilt out was that I did one horizontal, so you can see the split here, and another one vertical. Again, you can see it in this one here, you can see it here, you can clearly see it here also. Now what I wanted to point out is that in this particular block here, there is no white in this particular area. So if you use double color, then obviously you will get 6 colors throughout there, rather than this particular one where you just got the white there, or you got the white here and the white there, depending on how you actually lay your blocks together. So remember, it's front sides together and split down the middle, and you lay it horizontal and vertical. So you keep twisting and turning as you go. All right. So really, that's how it came about, really beautifully. It didn't take long at all to stitch the quilt up together. In fact, it can be done in a day, which I actually did it in a day. So it's an easy quilt to put together for beginner with an actual space. And if you use a background fabric all over, the 9-patch itself tends to lose itself within the quilt. All right, making it slightly complicated and finding out where the 9-patch actually is. Now, if you take a closer look, we can actually see the quilting. Now I did an all over swirly peaks for the quilting on this actual quilt, and I actually used polyester gold, and I think it shows up really beautifully over the quilt, and I'm really pleased with the outcome. It's an absolutely beautiful quilt, and I actually fell in love with it. So it looks really nice on the bed, and yeah, I'm really pleased with it. So what I would say to you is that if you're not going to use charm squares, then of course you can use yardage, and therefore you can cut them down into the size and obviously choose your color scheme that you'd want to. And so that brings us to the end of this fantastic video today, and I hope you enjoyed the quilt. And please just remember that the original videos how to compile this will be in the link in the description box. So if you liked and enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share and to subscribe, and happy quilting. See you later. Bye bye.